couple days ago I was out here hiking in the woods and I found something that I had never seen before in my life. And now I'm trying to find it again. But this I thought was pretty amazing and I wanted to share it with everybody on YouTube. The problem is it might be a little difficult to get a shot of it because there's still a lot of leaves on the trees. I'm going to set up my tripod in the best possible area to show you a natural beehive. Normally, all the beekeepers around here, when they find these, oh, here we go, and they're pretty active today. When they find these, they cut the whole hive down and they domesticate them. But this right here is a completely wild bee. It's been here all summer for sure and set up a rather large honeycomb. I would say from here it could be 2 to 3 foot. You know, it could drop, it looks like it's dropping down 2 to 3 foot and it's at least 2 foot wide. So there's thousands of bees in there. They're pretty active today. I'm going to set up my tripod and try to get a little better shot. Might actually try and get it from the other side even, because we're on the shadowed side here. The sun's approaching the west. You can see they're pretty active today. When I saw them 2-3 days ago, it was rather cool and they weren't flying around at all. But I can guarantee you that right there is full of honey. And if it wasn't 40 feet up in the air, I would actually try to get some on a cool night or something, but it's a long ways up there. So I'm going to try and go around the other side, maybe get a better shot. But pretty amazing. I've never seen that before. Here you go. Here's I didn't move too far. I only went around it. I only moved about 40 foot from where I was, but this is a much better shot. And you can actually see the layering of the hive there as they're building more cells for more drones and honey for the winter. So I'm going to try and come back here and actually see if they make it or stay or what happens. I'm kind of curious. I assume they like it there and they're gonna try to stay there all winter, and we'll see what happens. Let's see how close I can. There you go. You can really see them working now. It was about mid-70s today and it's been dropping down into the low 40s, upper 30s, so it's been getting cooler here. We're supposed to get a warm spell and they're gonna just keep trying to put up as much honey as they can for the winter, especially on these warm afternoons. thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll come back here from time to time and check on these bees, see how they're doing.